There are two types of user access settings. Guest access. If Enable is checked, guest users can access the scene without needing to create an account or log in. They simply enter a nickname to join. This is ideal for easy, quick access, but does not collect any user data or provide security tracking. Registered user access. If Enable is checked, users have the option to register. This will also allow them to connect their Ready Player Me avatar to their account and have it available each time they log in. If this is enabled and guest access is not, only registered users can access the scene. Registered users must either create an account or log in, making it easier for companies or communities to recontact users or ensure security control. For businesses that prioritize user data collection or need security measures, disabling guest access and requiring registration is recommended.